So guys, I told you in the previous video that I'll be showing you around my 240SX. So let's get started. Got those nice big ass tackies on the rear, fat tires. Oof, yeah, look at these concave, deep. Got the Falconer Zenus. You see that size, nice big wheels. He's gonna grip so well. On the front here, what I done was custom fitted these Porsche Brembo brakes. I'm not too sure what discs these are. I know they're from an Audi, but I'm not too sure which Audi. But never mind that. Let's take it to the engine. So this is a RB25 DT Neo. Got the Freddy intake. Got original Garrett GT35 turbo that is sitting on top of a custom made turbo manifold equal length header. What else? This radiator is also custom built by me. It actually came just as a radiator core, and I built the end things on, so it looks pretty sweet. All aluminium. Also a custom 76mm stainless steel exhaust. Let me show you where it goes to. As you can see, that comes out right by the side. So this thing is going to be loud. Look what came in today. Quite excited to fit these. Got these nice Airbag Pro kit. Open this guy up. Yeah, look at those. So these springs are 30mm drop. You can see it's quite high. Looks like I'm rolling with a 4x4 over here. The rear's not too bad, but the front is quite bad. So yeah, let's get started.